Yeah.
Don't call me again.
I can't get
Rasta Jackson, man.
Rasta Jackson.
Alright.
What's she gone? What's she gone?
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A Kino. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean but I like that. Me a step up in a left them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard then want me feel. Want me pop down and lose me feel. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
What's up?
What's up?
Oh my gosh. I didn't know you were here, man.
Yes, man.
I just got show some girl around here, man. Oh my gosh.
So you just show me cottage.
Wow. Kino. Boy, me didn't want to send the knock you.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Go in there and look, man. Wow.
Wait, you don't want to say knock me out?
No, I don't want the sweet scent knock you out, bro.
Oh, you think she good now?
Oh,
I told Kino as well.
whoa. Hey, baby.
Stay lucky.
Oh, yes, baby.
I told you.
Baby girl, wow.
Chaka.
Juki, fix it.
The Banjuki, man.
Yeah.
Hey, DJ, fix it.
Yes, sir.
Yes, baby.
Juki, want come in.
Yes, joking.
Oh, you want to get him?
Yeah.
Oh, Kino.
The cottage are going.
You know you ever go on? Fast car I didn't tell you.
No.
One of my friends from England, Lati. Me there here this morning and a fast car come call me and say, I must voice note to one of my brethren from the airport.
Yeah.
Me help him already and he love when me twanging.
Yeah.
So he say what size boot, what size shirt, clothes and whatever.
Yeah.
They gonna come for me.
Wow.
Yeah. I know say Kino, me have to big up all the donors over there. Good afternoon to all you folks over there. Have no fear, Chucky Jam is here. Wow.
Cottage looking good.
Calm down. I don't finish. That girl who sent me some money the other day, like $2,000.
Yeah.
What's her name again? Superwoman.
Yeah.
Oh, you know Chucky Jam wanna be here, man. Oh my gosh. I wanna put on a wedding band on your hand and then you flew down and we go on vacation.
Wow.
Them time I'm not gonna look like the real Chucky Jam. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. But anyway, Kino, glad to see you, man. I'm so happy.
Yeah.
He got Auntie Little and the big lady Latoya. Oh my gosh.
I mean, the cottage looking good and it smell nice, joking
Oh,
man.
wow, we never out of Fabulosa, man. If I ain't got no money, Latoya, she ain't gonna flap me, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, cause she know no one then they send me something. So let me out of it and say, Lati, I'm out.
I'm out.
Yeah, she gonna give me even 2 bottles.
Of course.
Yeah, 2, 3 girls just came in here just now.
Yeah.
They say, my gosh.
My gosh.
So, you know, never keep the thing compensated because if we not keep it like this, Kino, little, all of the dream team, they are going to vex with me. And I don't want that. And the donors them. So I don't want that.
No.
So I already don't want to tidy up.
Yeah, tidy it up.
Of course.
Jeez.
Oh my gosh. you should be around here.
Yeah.
You know, this is someone from England who knows me. He was telling Foscar about me this morning. So Foscar bring the phone right here. And what you call it? A voice note.
Yeah.
The virgin, he likes only twang, he likes only dance, he likes my colors. He asks me what size shoes, what size whatever.
Wow.
Yes, so probably, no problem. I think in December, clothes is coming for the boss. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And him know him tell fast can I say, yo, Juki say colors, you know, so you know all the garments.
Yeah.
They are
I get
colors.
garments to me good for my birthday.
Well, you could have asked that, look to you. Could you ask that?
Yeah.
But calm down, Jella. You remember that girl who did send me the money last week? What was her name again? You don't remember Superwoman? You know Juki Jam wanna be your man. Yeah.
Superman.
Some more money if I could buy her
Yeah,
a win
Superman.
And then when she flew down,
Yeah.
we go on a little vacation. And we go eat a Pegasus.
Yeah.
Rio.
Oh, Rio. Yeah.
Superwoman and Superman.
Oh my gosh. Probably I would have changed her name to Lady Juki Jam too. Don't mind. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. I love the donors, I say. All you donors of over there.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Look what you guys did to us in TrenchTown. Oh my gosh. Look what you guys did to us in TrenchTown.
Love the donors them, man.
Pick them up again.
Then I love them from head
Wow.
to toe.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, man. 24/7s, man. Juki Jam talk all you guys up there. And calm down.
Yeah,
You see,
calm
the
down.
male donors, they want a blessing are following you guys.
Yeah.
The girls are following us up. And the females, they want a blessing are following, not even man are running around. So.
Yeah.
You get what I'm saying?
Yeah, what is
Oh my gosh.
judgment.
Yeah. Well, I just styled out the little cottage here, you know?
Yeah, what I
Pink
think.
sheet on the bed and whatever.
You can.
Oh, look how the girls them diving in the bed. Just imagine that, man. Look here. Oh my God. It's a joy, man. It's a joy.
You're jealous. Go ahead.
No, I don't think so. But Kino, look at this. Remember when the house it looked like a pig pen?
Yeah.
You're crazy. No girl would come diving in the
DJ would just keep him
You're
warm.
mad?
It was the coolest house. Everybody comes sleep.
Jeez,
Everybody.
Christmas time and they
Yeah.
Shot
But
and fix
I
up.
don't know what it does that. But yeah, get what I'm saying? But now,
Juki up again.
as I'm telling you, this cottage here, it ain't gonna look like no more pig pen. Because I don't want the dream team to vex with me. I don't want the donors up there when Kino come and visit and say, damn, Juki, why you keeping a place like that?
Yeah.
You donors up there gonna say, oh my gosh, what's that? We ain't gonna say nothing more, go give him. Yeah, so I have to keep the place carpeted.
Oh.
Yeah, and each morning, the dream team, if it's not little, Latai over there or a couple of the male, they come and say, Juke, you know? Yeah, they want to come and view the place. Because if I ain't keeping it clean, as Kino come, they gonna Kino, you know, Juke ain't keeping around there clean, man. So I can't afford that. Yes, exactly, Jella. Yeah, you don't say, shh, calm down. You don't smell the sweet scent of what is licking everybody. Oh my gosh. Yeah, so I was just telling Kino, if I'm out of Fabuloso, I ain't got no money. And we go and tell Lataya, she ain't gonna send me up back without it. Yeah, you got what I'm saying?
This morning I never have the money. She give me bleach and
Good girl.
good girl. That's all
You ain't telling me. It's not Juki telling that. I knew.
Good girl, Juki. She's a good girl. She always there for me.
Real. Better enough girl around here.
Yes,
Because
I don't know why, but you have to give me Juki.
she gave me too.
You got to give me.
I knew you're a good girl.
Yeah, when I said give me a down, she said, come on, let's eat food. Let's go to the shop and eat.
Man, Kino, even before this damn corona thing gets in, whenever time I'm going to the airport, I ain't got no fare. Me go down there, me say, Lati, I ain't got no fare, and I want something to drink or whatever. If her daughter, her beautiful daughter, Brittany Shakespeare, is in the shop. You get what I'm saying? She said, Brittany, give Juki what he want. When I get back in the morning, I paid her. So whenever time I go, she ain't gonna flap me. She gonna give me what I want.
Of course.
Yeah, but you know some of the people now, they take something from the girl, they go on like she go down and tick them up. When they get money, they don't remember to go and pay. So they ain't gonna get nothing more. You get what I'm saying?
I remember kindness, say always remember.
We party.
Oh, and the horizontal too.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, tell you, Kino, I mean, normally, Chucky not bring them, think they come get anybody around here.
Oh.
You get what I'm saying?
Oh.
Yeah, but Kino, and my friend, who is just a tell about, the brethren from England. Good afternoon to you again, my brethren, and good afternoon to your lovely wife, although I knew her.
Yeah.
You get what I'm saying?
New York.
Yeah, bro. Just pick up everybody and all your friends, them and whatever, you know? Yeah. This is a dream team around me here, you know?
Alright then, so a donation for you.
Oh, yeah. Oh,
Calm
you
down.
see what I'm saying?
Listen, calm down.
Okay, my bro.
Calm down.
That's what I'm doing, Kino.
Yeah. I hear you starting now. Calm down.
Yeah, I was sweat.
I said, a donation for you from Ivan.
Ivan. Oh, Ivan.
From Canada.
Wow.
$3,000 from Ivan.
Thank you very much, Miss Ivan. Wow, you're such a lady. I don't see you, I don't knew you. Oh my gosh. I would love to see you and I would like to know you. You get what I'm saying? Yeah. Thank you very much, Miss Ivan. And may the Lord bless and keep you.
I will also have 2 pull-ups here
Yeah, man. You can just drop them on.
from the Overcomers.
Okay. Thank you very much. Yeah, I gotta show them on my jacuzzi there. You get what I'm saying? Donors, you see whenever
That's from the Overcomers.
okay, you see whenever I touch night, when I lay down in this jacuzzi bed here, by 20 minutes I'm out. Can't wake.
Can't wait.
Yeah, so majority of the time when I'm in here, I always lay on the floor. Because sometimes in here, baby, I really want to watch a show on the cable. At the very moment, I go lay down in the jacuzzi.
Just to see.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, some more time I go on the floor, man.
Yeah, so you can stay awake.
Yes, you know. Yeah, I'm a love how everybody check for me.
Yeah.
Oh my god, you know who is that? Oh my gosh. I see them out here, they grew in my hand.
Yeah.
Yeah. Mr. Joseph, and this youth never disrespect Juki Jam yet. Nobody here, sir. Yeah. Nobody, 5 years, none of them never disrespect. Everybody loves Juki Jam around here, man. Because I tell you, without these colored clothes, I wouldn't be nobody. I wouldn't recognize.
Yeah.
So from a sister, the crowd that go with me, I miss the colors.
Oh.
You know what I'm saying?
I'm saying.
Yeah. So big up everybody, you know. Big up my friend Spraga.
Girls and chocolate.
Yeah. Big up my friend Lutoya. You get what I'm saying? Little Jella. Real girl. You get what I'm saying? Yeah. She used to play marble and football, you know. Yeah. This Joseph here used to share his food in a half a million when he was a toddler.
Yeah.
See the boss, the painter, Mr. Bram.
Mr. Bram.
Oh, my boss. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah. Alright then, Jokey. Liquor. Well, I'm the Jokey. As we there, so liquor, we have this gift for you from the Overcomers from the US.
Thank you, overcomers from the US, and may God bless you and keep you. And may your light shine bright. And hope all of the donors them have a great Christmas when it comes.
Alright then. And Jokey,
Yes, man.
I give thanks to the Overcomers.
In the mosque.
Your pull-ups.
Oh my God, Kino, I was just telling you guys the amount of blessing those people have right now. I tell you, the males, blessing I follow them more than how girls I follow them. And the females, blessing I follow them more, man I follow them. Just remember, me, Juki, Mr. Colors. Tell me that. You get what I'm saying? So you know, a little more, I'll be dancing.
Yeah,
So you know, say tomorrow, oh but the excitement thing when them all look on me and see me. Yeah, but my friend, where you send me the clothes them, taste me in something different. You're dancing.
You're dancing.
Okay, you ain't gonna win, bro. That's what I'm telling you. You ain't gonna win.
Yeah. Joking, so big up yourself.
Yeah, man. Long time, man. That's man.
Cottage.
Yeah.
We're gonna exit the cottage now, right?
Exactly.
Yeah.
Oh, you feel that they tell it, let them see it?
Yeah, man. Let them see it.
Oh, hold on.
In the background already.
Oh, video remember I change channel. I'm changing some channels here, you know?
Yeah.
You never dream someone that come get own a flat screen telly.
Yeah.
Oh, and a jacuzzi bed too.
Oh
my gosh.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, Kino, man. Blessed, you see? Love you, my friend. Watch me in a Kino, so. Clothes are very weird.
Yeah.
Look more out there.
Juki one if they have two of them. I told them lie down in that bed a while ago. Hey, Juki love them, you see man.
But you want to tell her, 3 chocolate come on and a pool and
And them make what, 5, 6.
No, those chocolates are the originals. The chair come here in a pool and
Yeah.
those chocolate, they are the originals. Cadbury Hershey's. Cadbury and Hershey's.
The man who bring Juki guy in England.
Yeah.
You see the price now.
Just say things set, man. I'm just coming off the road. I deal with some business for my friend's birthday, you see?
Yeah.
So I don't know the things set, you see me?
Yeah, straight.
So I'm back. You see? Yeah, man, I send him to England. So I want to travel, you know?
Yeah.
So I send him to England.
Travel on the phone.
Yeah.
Football going up on it.
Yeah. Big baller.
Yes, it's not to bleed. Not to bleed.
Yeah, dance alone.
Yeah.
They're on the billboard, America, dancing, a wicked dancer, simplest. Just give them the right way, man. That's a wicked dance.
Yeah.
You don't take a man style, yeah. Hold on.
Yeah, tease the man style.
Man style, yeah. No, yeah, no. Nobody can.
Nobody like people style.
No, I see, I say, girl, I on the movie.
Yeah.
So I tell you, say, they don't call me not to be.
Yeah.
They call me again.
I can't get
Oh, Rasta Jackson, man.
Rasta Jackson.
Alright. What's she gone? What's she gone?
Please, now, get him on and lie down. Anyway.
Come in there. You know about me, the only movie.
Yeah.
No, Kino, man, you don't Kino.
Them tell me, man, say the only movie star. Them tell me say the only movie star.
And that, and you don't tell them, man.
Tell him.
No, some of them see long time now.
Oh!
I see it on TV.
I know say laugh. Yeah.
Yeah.
I know say laugh, but Gina's come out here.
Yeah. And the love. International love, man.
Yeah, international.
I think Ali now have them, like Ali have you see me? Ali have the cartel love, but no man, these are the original, not the bleach one.
Yeah. They call it the cry loud.
The cry love.
See, you know?
Yeah.
I'm going to tell you all the while now. And they see me, you don't talk about say one laugh just so, because I dry laugh. What's that?
Original love. At the international love, that billboard. That's billboard. Not the blade.
I'll fly with another antenna. I'm picking up your wave on my net. I'll tell you fast car, this is the only fast car. You don't know fast car.
Like when them say put on your mask.
It go fast cars.
Watch out upon the road against what people put our mask.
The protocol. Follow the protocol. Follow it.
You don't say? National solid. You don't say?
Follow the protocol.
My one said
Dream team.
The sign they come in.
Yeah. People want to say fast car. People want to say dream team. Not to bleed, one say not to bleed. Billboard. Rasta Jackson.
Man, one Snoop say fast dream team.
Yeah. Rasta Jackson.
Say no, Rasta Jackson.
Rasta Jackson. Yeah. So I go on the whole chef. Baja.
Yeah, but deal with it.
Whoa. That's why you gotta be a sink.
No, man.
Oh, and the whole chef put that in on.
Johnny special, you know?
Johnny special. Ah, general.
No one picture.
Yeah. Everything, yeah. Where's that? Waka say. Baja.
Yeah.
Oh, chef looking good.
Yeah, so far, you know.
The shop looking up, I not done yet. Oh, chef.
Yeah. Chef, I go out with everything, you know.
Oh, counter offer everything. Whoa.
Please, just don't go through the coconut.
Yeah.
You know?
Whoa.
Yeah, man, because so you have chicken that big, you know. Cheese. Full of chicken, you know.
Jaja.
Rastafari, you know.
Rastafari. See the one. Rastafari. Whoa, chef.
Rasta eat bird, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, they're not go far. Feed them chicken. They're not eating pig, no corn, alright. So them chicken here, and for the airlines, peoples them.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, because we have one more chicken to fry, and see all of the airline people them. Just look out, you know.
Yeah.
Fast scare mother, my mother, you know.
Yeah.
People on the road.
You have Dolly, then you have Tata.
You know.
You have
Stool.
Stool.
Yeah, man.
And what's your name again, yeah, so? A Dolly, my daughter as well.
Yeah, man, we're about 8, 9 now. We're about 20
Denny's
people.
mother.
Yeah,
Real,
Yeah, man, so.
everybody have a share.
Yeah, so we give thanks to George and win some.
George and win some.
Big up on
Chicken
yourself,
them.
George, and win
Respect
some.
and win some. Yeah, George and win some. So we're going to put on the pot and get some chicken fry.
Yeah.
Right now, listen, I said.
Yeah.
Yeah, we are say big up to George and win some again. As I want to say, start the way as we start cook for the old people.
Old people,
See,
yeah.
might mean why my mother can get a taste of the food too. Because I love our food. You see me I say? Big up all of them, do all of them do the maths. You see me I say? We love goes out to them. The reason why I'm not seeing my shirt still, but I got to take care of some business on the road. Business I have to take care of sooner or later. I'm going to start wearing my shirt on the road. You see? And show people, say, dream team there. You see?
I'm fresh up and put on my shirt, you know?
Yeah.
Fresh up and put on my shirt, you know? Party later, you know?
Yeah,
man, see that all LRF people. Yeah, man, I have wing, I have breast, I have leg, I have hip, I have thigh. I have all different pieces of meat night, man. So don't worry yourself, man.
So they're well set today.
Yeah, man, so.
You get the box them sort out and
the box them sort out and things.
Yeah, them can have that.
Yeah, the box them yet, you know, it's the rice, yeah. I want a big cup too. Soup there, you know.
Soup there, them can get soup as well too.
Soup there, you know.
Yeah,
man, so
get soup too. So sorry.
The peas are going on that now, you know.
Peas are going on.
Peas, yeah. So we're going to get the butter, you know, get the chicken and fry, you know. Yeah, but you know much of food this far. Wow, that's simple thing, John.
Yeah. You have some donation for your man to your rest of your materials then. You know, for your sink and your windows. But I just say I'm going to need more zinc.
One zinc.
You see me? Yeah, you're going to need door lock. I am a good thing there, so yeah. We're under some donation so we can get the ball rolling. Look already, one counter gone up already. Many more to go.
Yeah, man, many more margin after they've put in them on the week and week.
Get the pipe as well. Get the pipe and the pipe fittings. And you sink, you know everything go.
Official kitchen. John, whole heap of good work. Just can't stop with the good work. Enough straight Kino. The official kitchen. Gas pan, official stove. Yo, just big up everything.
Yes,
straight.
The whole heap of good work.
So You see?
Just go and do it, oh yeah.
Yeah, man. I have to go and do it. If nobody can do it.
Help the less fortunate.
Yeah, man.
That you see a go on.
Yeah, true.
Help the less fortunate. That is what we
I
have
hold
to
myself and generally.
help. That's all we are about. Helping people. That was the Kino I do. Help everybody go here.
Sure.
Go on, there are enough things to do. Go and big it up, said we. Dream team.
One team.
One team.
Yeah. One day. Whoa, chef.
Whoa!
Yes, some donation in the car. Wow, is it fish?
The steam down in the catch okra them.
Yeah. Fish for steam.
Kino, Badger, Marvin, what do you say? Oh, that must be it, man. Yeah.
Yeah, we also have a donation fee as well,
Yeah.
you know, because you know, we never did there the other day. You see me, so. Well, the people them love how the work look.
Yeah.
Looking Taffy, that's a beautiful. Taffy, that's a beautiful. Come back. Come see for the light there. Come here, sir. Yes, you see the work there.
Yeah, man.
Whoa, chef there.
Whoa.
So, what the radio station Love Beer? Send a donation for the team as well too. Okay, anybody there? This is from Love Beer. Afrobeat Music Talk Radio from Canada. 1500.
Love beer, enough love and respect, many thanks. One deal with the thing, you know.
Yeah.
Hear the music for the people them.
And them keep on, and them represent enough for Canada. Them are promote
yeah, man.
them are part of the
respect and
team.
enough love, man.
Yes, so them are give a huge strength in Canada. I do a lot for you right now, so I always big up Love Beer, Music Talk Radio, Afrobeat. Them are handle a lot of stuff for we overseas that push you out there. Yeah, so them are our main supporter right now, who promote the thing right through.
Heart of love, man. Want to spread the goodness away we are going in a TrenchTown away. Dream team I deal with, you know? Just me.
Yes,
so you can see the thing and I deal with it. Go and give with the strength cross to make the world see I know where we are going. Enough love for that.
Yes, sir.
Respect.
And also Miss Inez. As well too from the US.
Yes, Miss Inez. Enough love and respect, man.
From
really, man.
And you also have Pablo. From Canada. $5,000.
Yeah, Pablo from Canada. Heart of love, man. Father God, guide and protect, man. Enough love, man. Respect, man. Yeah, man. Enough love, man. $5, man. Respect.
And you also have Superwoman. From Canada as well too. $3,000 from Superwoman.
Superwoman. Don't know, you know. Superman. Enough respect.
That is a good work. Man. So as I say, we always almost finishing. We finish here, so we're going over Natisha. Journey there for complete, you know. So the wow chef.
Yeah, man.
Talpi. Wow chef. That's some donation as well for you towards the material. You know the thing go. Talpi, boy. So, Talpi, I put on the mask.
The kitchen here, you know?
We'll pull us right then. Respect goes on. So we have $2,000 for your Talpi. From Marley Jenkins. From Canada.
Whoa. Straight, you know, blessed the Marley Jenkins, world for love, you know, straight, you know. One team, you know, Deep. Yeah, man, straight, beautiful love. Yeah, man, where's the station?
Love Beer.
Still a bill, you hear that? Straight up.
Them say it become them favorite now, you know.
You know that.
Because the song we're going to build, you know.
Tell them that genius, you know that. Straight up there,
big up the Love Beer station. Whoa! Alright. Wow, chef.
Whoa, Jenna.
We have some donation towards the rest of the material. So anything we get right now we can put to use so far, so we can try to complete this mission, so we can move out to Natisha. So we have Natisha, we have George and Winston from New York
City.
George and Winston from New York. $18,000. Them same one contribute chicken towards the LL then. Yeah, so you have $18,000 now from them towards the material. Yeah.
Georgia win some.
Yeah.
Georgia win some. Oh, you can respect them, you know. The place cover off, you know.
Yeah.
See me?
Yeah.
Shelf on the thing.
Get the rest of the zinc them for good, you know.
Zinc to put this on. All the respect no Georgia win some. Yeah, man. Pow! Yeah, man. Yeah, man. All the respect no Georgia win some.
I also have $5,000 from Ivan from Canada. $5,000. Yeah, from New York.
Ivan from Canada.
No, from Canada. Ivan from Canada.
All the respect no Ivan from Canada.
Yeah. Yeah.
See me? I don't know what the thing getting, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. All the respect no Ivan. Yeah, man. And New York, I forgot to name it. See me? Yeah, man. West Cinco.
Yeah.
No man, you know?
Yeah. I also have Eric. $5,000 from Eric from New York.
Same thing again. Set it! New York, my place, you know?
Yeah.
All the respect I love, you know? New York, twice! You see me?
Yeah.
Twice. New York City.
$5,000.
Yeah, man. Yeah, my work I respect, you know? New York City. Twice, you know, yeah, man. Big up the Love Bay Station, is it? Whoa, yeah, man. I forgot, man. City, yeah, man. West Cinco. So, no man can't left me, you know, because you don't know, is it? Yeah, man, West Cinco, you see me?
Yeah.
Fast car, Arch of Face Marvin. Whole team, man, you see?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, see me? Straight in the Kino, because you don't know you many things pass the damn thing, you know? Straight up, man, see? New York City.
New York.
Twice, Canada. Yeah, man. England, boy, you see?
Everywhere.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
All the respect and love, you know? Yeah, man. What, you know, like good work, right, you know, when they donate. Many places to go left, you know?
Yeah.
Whoa! Man, you see? Yeah, man.
The road, you know.
Ready, you know?
Yes, I want to wine at this now, boy.
Yeah, man.
Everything, you know.
Everything night, you know?
I just can't alone, can't escape.
Yam, banana, everything is in. Yeah, man.
Sweet potato, everything.
Yeah, man.
Kong soup.
I just can't alone when I get.
Yeah. It's the only big one. Peter there. This is from Stacy from the UK.
Stacy, good afternoon. Give thanks to God and everybody, you know.
Yeah.
Give thanks to energy. Give thanks to love, Stacy. One dream team. Father God come first, mother, anything else. Big up Kino and his mother and father and everybody on the boat. Family and everybody. And many days. You don't stop yourself, because we're not even dead. Dead come. We are down, so we have to see.
My paper.
Everybody
My paper.
Big up the promoter, them everybody, you know, say, give thanks to life today, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, Bart, do your jacket. Yeah, man, I hate this about just the spirit have to be a part of the thing. Holy Spirit and all the spirit.
Yeah.
This is the neutral spirit.
Neutral.
Let's get the mind out.
Yeah.
Give thanks to Father God still and blessing the people. Make this work. Donors them. Can't say much thanks. I want to come here. Without you know, it's nothing.
Yeah.
I want to keep the dream. Yeah, man. One God, man. So one love, man. One destiny and one aim.
All the time.
One God, man. One Kino and him family. Look her. That's the heard, man. I you started. Oh God, you know who over there, sir? Lifesaver.
One thing.
Hero. TrenchTown, hero.
Alright.
Yeah, when I night guns, you know.
Give them the law.
Yeah, when I night guns.
It's a choke laugh.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. It's gonna be a better end.